Hey, future physicists, this is Mr. Flewelling, and I wanted to give you a rundown on the course and the agenda and the goals. Because this year we're focusing on four different potential groups of students. We have a Group A set of students, a Group B set of students, a quarantine set of students, hopefully not, but probably, and then our all online students. We felt that it would be best to run this as more of an online course. So a long time ago, maybe like 10, 15 years ago, we started putting all of our stuff into Buzz to begin with. And so we're pretty well set as this being a pretty strong blended course. And what we're going to do then is we're going to focus it mostly online and then use the in-person time to supplement or to have any time for question and answers, those type of things. So A and B students, when you're in the room, you'll have the opportunity to ask us questions. Otherwise, we're hoping to get the videos of our notes or to find really good videos on Khan Academy or other places that you can supplement notes, and then us do videos with the sample problems that will go with what we're studying. Everything else, what I want you to look at then is whenever you get into Buzz, your goals for the chapter will be defined on that lightning page that shows up at the top. So you'll notice that you're the Raging Bull, then you'll have your goals. Then under that, if you click on the agenda, you're going to go to the day that you're looking at. And what we do is we copy the agenda for the whole week. So every day is the same for that week. And I want to just kind of walk through how this will be. So we have our Monday, Tuesday, one of them will be face-to-face, one of them will be virtual, and then you'll flip-flop. And we tried to make this so that you don't have to have had the one before you have the other. And then the onlines will be listed separately underneath if they're different. So you notice the first day, the face-to-face is seating charts, safety protocols, overview of the course, and tribes. Well, those of you who are online, you're going to watch the introductory video that the virtual students will be watching that day. And then the next day, you'll be doing the IU syllabus and the discussion. What's due then will be listed at the bottom of that. Wednesday is the all online or the all virtual. And those are the things that you'll just click on these. These take you specifically to that particular assignment. And then the things that are due are at the bottom there. And then again, the Thursday, Friday, where you're flip-flopping, either you have face-to-face or you have the virtual and online. What we're trying to do is we're trying to aim it so that you have about 30 to 40 minutes of work that would have been your in-class. You will have a little bit of homework some nights you won't. It all kind of depends on the chapter that we're in. And I have to warn you that I just finished my online master. So all of my classes are online. And doing online work is hard because it's all on the learner. It's all on you. Like if you're in my class, you're kind of keeping pace as we go, and I can get on you if you're not keeping up. But if you're not in the room, in the building, then it's up to you. So some things you might want to consider would be find a good place where there are no distractions. Maybe set a specific time every day that you're working on this particular course. Make sure that you are doing something every day in the class to keep up with it. And always, 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 if you have any questions or you get stuck on something, don't spend hours and hours working on it. Shoot me an email, shoot me a remind, and then put it down, walk away, and wait till I respond to you. I'll always try and get back to you as soon as I can. I also wanted to show you a little bit of how the course is set up. So if you come down to the very bottom of the screen, then you can see each of the different chapters. And if we look at maybe like the 1D kinematics, every chapter will start with this intro, the resources, units, symbols, and vocabulary. Those three assignments. We'll have a lab or two that's in there, and then you'll have the coursework. All of your notes will be in the resources. Any videos that we have will be in the resources. Everything that is like, I just don't get it, go back to the resources because that's where you'll find everything. And then there will be some kind of review and probably the test at the end of that chapter. And more or less, all of the chapters are laid out that way. So I hope that gives you a good overview of the course. And I'm really excited to work with you this year. Hope to see you soon or to email you soon if you're online.